Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is sponsored by Luvmehair, and they sent me this 13 by 4 24-inch body wave wig. Excuse my voice, I am a little bit sick. I feel like I've been sick for at least 4 times this summer, but I forgot to do the unboxing of this video of this wig. But I have a lot of videos that I've done with Love Me Hair where I'm unboxing it. So I'm just gonna attach it somewhere so you guys can see like what they would send to you inside the box. But if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so this is how the wig is looking. I did go ahead and plucked and bleach it off camera like I always do. I think it was body wave, to be honest. I'm not sure, but I think it was body wave. I went ahead and I even plucked the middle part because I didn't want any knots showing at all. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what the inside of the wig is looking like, so you guys will know what it will look like when it comes. So this is how the inside of the wig is looking. It did come with a headband on the back part of it. They always send their wigs with headbands and also the adjustable straps in the back. Now, the only issue that I have with this wig, or what I've had issues when the lace is sewn like this. I don't really like when the lace is sewn like that. When the lace is sewn like this, you have to get the wig a little bit bigger than your head because you need it to stretch and fit on your head properly. I hate when it's sewn like this. When it's sewn like this, I feel like I have to be tugging and pulling on it too much, and I don't like that. So let's hope that doesn't happen. But apart from that, lace is pretty much good quality, very much HD lace. As you can see, you can't see it or anything. That's how you know it's real HD lace. The hair does not shed. The only shedding I had from it was from plucking it, but when I took it out the box, it wasn't shedded or anything. It wasn't shedding or anything. I'm gonna go ahead and now spray my even tinted lace spray on the lace. I won't be spraying it too much on the inside of it because I feel like this even tinted, I think the light warm brown is a little bit orangey, and I don't like the fact that it's orangey. So I'm going to have to mix it with medium warm beige so it gives it more scalp, because my scalp is not orange. So let's see if that works. But I've been trying to figure out a way for it to not look too orangey, because this is on the orange side. Then I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer to dry the inside. I'm very nervous because, like I said, I don't want it to be tugging and pulling. Like, I want it to just install properly. I don't want any problems with it. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and install this wig, and you guys will see how it looks while I'm doing it. But yeah, I'm very nervous, but let's just see. Let's see.
need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true, dear. And I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is hallelujah. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love, goes on and on. You give me a all day long. I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me.
Okay guys, so the only thing that I could say probably is like went wrong or a little bit sideways is the fact that I think I cut this part too short, so I had to push it over. So now I have to change my middle part, and I'm mad because I had plucked out that middle part to make it more defined. I know I'm just gonna have to find a new middle part and pluck it again, which I don't want to, but I have to. But yeah, it stayed though.
Ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell them, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior Watanabe on my, Junior Watanabe on my, tell him this, did he miss, Junior Watanabe on my, I can't really see where did I miss, Junior Watanabe on my, Junior Watanabe on my, all summer, all summer, $4-5, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store and hours, like we planned it. Junior Watanabe on my, Junior Watanabe on my, tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my, I can't really see where did I miss, Junior Watanabe on my, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, we took both, bro, we took both, bro, we took both, bro, we took both, bro, one in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got status, excuse my manners, I got status, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas, they going tell me, we going down to, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is down to, God's time can't fit on the wrist, Junior wanna have me on my, move out of the way of my release, trying to get me off my cues and peace, why can't losers never lose in peace, ain't nobody around me losing sleep, better find God before he find me, tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, Caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right like that. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in an
Right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, gotta watch your time, 'cause it's flying right by.
This is pretty much the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The links to the wig will be down in the description box, and also the link to the website will be in the description box, because they do have other wigs that you guys could purchase and other wigs that you guys would absolutely love. So I will definitely link those in the description box. As for me, the only thing I would change about this wig is just getting a bigger cap size. And that's just because I don't really put my wigs close to my edges. I put them a little bit over my edges, just because I don't want my edges to like rip out or anything like that. So I need the space. But if you're fine with it being directly on your edges, then you're good to go. But for me, with a average circumference head, I would definitely get a medium. But yeah, this is the end. Thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.
Work, 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 work. To me, I feel work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Just tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk out, la, 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 la. In the cafe, murder, da, 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 da. Try me, I deserve it. Nothing to have you lurking.
yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the right. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are